Hi, welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead and welcome to my spring garden. Today I'm going to talk to you about the pros and cons of using a leaf mulch on your winter and fall garden. I'll get out of the way. And as you can see, this garden is a leafy mess. I have removed some of them because I've done some planting over the last few weeks. Now that you can see what a big mess this is, I'm just gonna start right in with the cons. It's a mess, you guys. Here they did not compost all the way down. I would say that the leaves composted about 75%, which is kind of amazing considering that I just threw whole leaves in about a, I don't know, about a 3-inch, 4-inch pile on top of all of the beds. The wind also blew them around. I did hold them down with my the drip irrigation tubes, so that did kind of help keep them down a little bit. The benefit of using a leaf mulch, well, there's two really big ones. One, the weeds will be way more under control if they're underneath a bed of leaves. Another great benefit of the maple leaves, which is what I'm using here, is they add a ton of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium back into the soil, which reduces the amount of compost that I need to apply later on. I definitely do recommend using a leaf mulch in your fall and winter garden. It just makes spring cleanup a lot easier in preparation for planting, except having to pick up all the leaves that didn't compost down. So if you can get them shredded up into much smaller pieces, I think that would work great. Some people just turn them over into the soil. I'm not gonna do that because some of them are still pretty huge, and for me it's just easier to gather them up and put them onto the main compost pile so they can continue to do their job and break down. Okay, so there you go. That is the lowdown on whether or not you should use a leaf mulch. It works great. Cleanup is kind of a mess and puts lots of nutrients back into the soil. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all the rest of these leaves because we'll be planting potatoes and beets and a whole bunch of different vegetables very soon. And I will come back and show you all about that later. Okay, bye.